10 people were killed and more than 100 people are injured. Hazara Express train en route to Karachi to Rawalpindi and derailed near the Rohli railway station near the Nawab Shah district. Police rescue people, ambulance are waiting and they are rescuing the people and helping. You can see it's a big rail accident in Pakistan. Rescue official told it's a very huge loss for the Pakistan. You can see the rail accident, train accident in Sindh near the Nawab Shah. Nawab Shah train accident. You can see the live. People are very upset and they are going. Hazara Express हादसे का शिकार 8 बोगियां और 10 एक लेटेस्ट इतला के मुताबिक ट्रैक से उतर गई। ये बहुत सारे लोग जो हैं वो